What is up? I am Omni, and this is ARK Survival Evolved on the Wolves server. I want to thank everybody for joining me today. I want to thank everyone out there for all the support they've given on the video so far. I really appreciate all the likes and every subscriber. So, thanks a lot. Alright, well, as you can see, I still got little Doreen with me. And, we're still up here at the, I think it's, yeah, Tropical Island North, I think is the name of the spawn point that's nearby. Whoops, wrong key. But we're up here. We got the little closet building going on so far. Some of the others brought more dinos up, and I think some of these are also tames from the area too. But today, we're going to take a break from the, well, not really a break from the build. Well, yeah, break from the building on this episode, and the taming. Darn torch! I wish I had an ascendant one. Okay, but we're going to take a break, and we're going to take a stab at the dino breeding, and I have a couple of good choices, because what I really need, I don't have many of my own personal dinosaurs. I have Paddington there. He's kind of become my go-to mount. I have a few others, but what I need is some of the worker dinos. And when I get them all together, I love to call them the road crew, because they're all the dinosaurs that are essential for building. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set those beavers there to breeding, and I'm going to set these ANKYs here to breeding. And, yeah, I should get some really good results from both pairs here. And then after that, to round out the road crew, what we'll need is a Doedicurus. I think I'll have to tame one for all that stone harvesting. Granted, I could make do with the ANKYs since they get stone too, but with the Doedic's concentration on stone alone, it's just not a smart move to pass that up, you know? Alright, and for the rest of the road crew, usually I do a trike for gathering thatch and to be like the group's defender. But I think I might get another bear or just use Paddington as the general defender, since he also gathers fiber too, which is essential for building. But yeah, I could also get an additional bear to use for weight, because that's the other role in the road crew. You need somebody to haul around all that stuff, because the beaver's weight reduction magic doesn't really affect everything. And I think structures, even wooden ones, are among those. But yeah, maybe an additional bear. I was also thinking of, oh, it's not nearby, of getting my own PARACER, because these guys have some pretty dang good weight to them too. I mean, what, this one's got 1523? I don't know what it started out as, but I mean, that's still a substantial amount of weight you can use to, you know, transfer materials or finished products to when you're looking to build something really large, really fast and all that. Alright, so, as you guys can see, I crowded all these bears in here to try to herd the beaver and the ANKYs together. Come on, let me get that ride prompt. Yeah, that's the only real downside is I didn't think about doing this. Okay, so let's start with Oh, I can't stand on them. Okay. But we have here the male clubber for the ANKYs. Enable wandering. And smash F for the female. Enable wandering. And then we have Wolf's Maple for the female. Oh, this is actually Carnage's male. Oh, come on. Nope. Okay. Now, this will be difficult. How can I get a glimpse? Here we go. Okay. Well, I know she's behind the ANKY. Here we go. This is working out. Alright, great. And also, I did spend a little time on Paddington there, gathering up a bunch of mejo berries for both the babies. I know... So hopefully, they might end up being born at the same time. That would be really neat. Alright, well I'm going to keep you guys here just to make sure it kicks off successfully, that she starts the gestation and she lays the egg. And then I'll let you guys go and probably bring you back when I got the little ones to their juvenile stage so you can check them out. So, until then, guys, I'll see you in a bit. What is up, and welcome back, peeps. Well, first off, I gotta apologize for talking myself in circles, saying I was gonna keep you around for the babies to happen, and then just cut away. So, sorry about that, but check it out. Check it out. We got some really cool little babies here. These parents here produced me a 185 baby, a female castoroid that I named Acacia. Check it out. Got some good stats going on. Excellent health, decent stamina, okay weight, good attack, and of course movement speed. And then check out this little dude. He's like the perfect combination of colors of both of his parents. But I ended up calling him Dozer. We have excellent health, great stamina, pretty good weight, pretty good melee damage there. And I really just couldn't be happier. Except... Oh, come on, don't whitewash me out. R. Light shaft 0. I can never get that one to work. Darn. I was going to try to grab a little family photo, but I guess I'm going to have to wait on that. I hope nothing really mean comes by in the meantime. But yeah, I am really happy. This is one half of my wrecking crew right here. Or no, road crew. That's what I called them. Road crew. Maybe I should have come up with a better name, but since the baby came out female, I couldn't really think of something that was both, like, construction-like and female. But Acacia is a pretty name, so I went with that. And we got Dozer here, because he can just bulldoze anything, whether it's trees, rocks, metal, you know, even berry bushes, he can take them out. But yeah, I am most happy. This little girl looks like she's got most of her mother's coloring with her daddy's blue stripe there. Yeah, in case people are wondering how this happened, well, I guess, honestly, if you were going to call any sort of admin power abuse on this server, it would be us changing colors of dinosaurs here. But I don't really look at it as much of an abuse because all we're changing is colors. That's it. We're not altering anything else about them. And that's just, you know, to help people, you know, get connected with their dinosaurs, and also so everybody can tell them apart without needing to run up and look at name tags or get the little pop-ups there like that. But anyways, I'm gonna sit here, babysit these little babies for right now, and then I'll bring you back either when they're all grown up or when I
User entered your channel.
make my move on the next little part of my group. So until then, see you in a bit, guys. What is up, and welcome back, folks. Okay, I got some exciting news. Oh, good and bad. I didn't find a Doedicurus and a PARACER together, like I wanted, because I thought that would be epic to do them both at once. However, let's see if she's still there. I went out looking for them, and I found a female 145 PARACER. She will make an excellent weight dino. So, let me see about maybe parking. Let's do passive in case I get hit. But I got plenty of tranks, plenty of narcotics. You know what, just in case. Because I've never tamed one of these this high. Let me go ahead and pull those. Now, I've done a little bit of pre-work and cleared out just some things that might cause trouble. And also to single her out, so... Did I shoot you? Yep, I did, didn't I? Come on, reload, 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 reload. Let's lead her up here away from Paddington. I hope that counts. Okay. I'm just gonna pump her full of narcotics. Butt shot. Oh, I think I missed that one. Oh, why are you running? Don't run. Another butt shot. Ooh, you're coming back, aren't you? Let's try to lead her into some more trees here. I know she's right there. Oh, here we go. Running around, running around. Ooh, she's right on me. I can hear her. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Can I get you caught up on this corpse? Oh. Oh. Oh no. Gonna have to do a long run. Just to make sure I can get away for a moment. Gotcha in the neck. Oh man. I've only tamed one of these once, and I managed to get it stuck. Oh crap. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Don't dawdle. Oh, did you go running off again? No, don't go running. Oh crap. I heard my bear take a hit. No. Yeah, don't hit my bear. Don't hit my bear. Me, I don't care about. Although, honestly, my bear can probably tank a hit. Oh, did I totally miss it? Oh. For a second, I thought it went down. Headshot. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, can I lead it into some trees? Oh, please don't be able to walk over that. Not until I reload, at least. Nope. Gonna do a long run. Oh. Let's try to run by Paddington and check on him again. Oh crap, you're just kind of strolling right through those trees, aren't you? Oh crap. Oh. Oh man, this is intense. Can you feel the intensity? You're running? Oh crap. Don't care, get that torpor going. Oh crap. No. I hear you. I don't like it. Let's circle back around again, because I don't want to drop him drop her right next to the swamp. If I can help it, I would much rather like to... Oh no. No. Look at that shadow. Can I get you stuck on a good turn? Back through the trees. Back and... Dodge and weave. Oh, come on. Doing this by yourself is hard. I wish I would have invited one of the other guys to come along. Uh-oh. No. Get out of my way, buddy. Oh, are you stuck? No, you're just running. I hope that hit. Ooh, get stuck. Can you come this way some? Oh crap, you came up. I didn't expect that. Oh, run. Thank you, movement speed. Go down, get sleepy, get knocked out. Leave me alone. Be my friend. Ooh, just managed to glance ya. Oh no. Oh, hi Dilo. Oh wait, where'd you go? Oh. Oh crap. No. Oh no. We should really go check on Paddington again. I hope no dragonfly aggroed for no reason. I wonder if the headshots do actually still do really great torpor damage. You know what, Paddington, follow. Let's just get you away from the swamp. Okay. Please don't. Oh. feet don't fail me now. Oh. Keep that torpor up. Get knocked out. And you're coming back. Ooh, man. Intensity. I already need more water. Okay, that may have been a risk. Oh. Get some distance. Oh man. I really hope this is recording too. I really do, because this is fun. Go to sleep. I want you to be mine. I know I already have an awesome blueprint at the base too. No, don't run. Crap. Yeah, keep that torpor up. Oh crap. Ooh, did I get you? Can I get one more? No. Ooh. Oh, was that a mistake? No, keep running. Just keep running. Ooh, that might have been a mistake. Trees, be my friend and hold this beastie back. Oh man, is this gonna take every dart I have? I sure hope not. Ooh, did I get you or miss you? Probably have like 30 dilos chasing us too. Ooh. Oh. Nope, you're still running at me. Get some distance. Ooh, I sure hope that didn't hit the tree. That would have been a waste. Oh, keep that torpor up. Come on, go down, boy. Girl, you're a lady. Come on, mama. Are you after me again? Get out of his butt. Yeah, that would suck if I aggroed him. Oh man, just go down, dude. Lady. Dude, lady. Get stuck? Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh no! That was scary. Oh. Rock, save me. Kinda hope you don't fall here. No, you're running again. No! Just keep running. Don't care. Keep running. Wait, where's the icon that says I'm blinded? Oh, there it is. I I hope I got you. Can I get one more? Let me get one more. Oh, that might be my hit. No. Oh. Come on, Mama, go down for me. Oh, man. No, that was a total miss. Oh, wait, there's ruins there. I wonder. Please don't be big enough. You're probably big enough, aren't you? Oh. No, where'd you go? Keep that torpor up. Oh, I hope that wasn't a miss. Whoops. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! Paddington, come here! Paddington! Oh man, this is actually really good. Okay, I believe they... Whoops. Just... are... patchy. We'll lead off with 300. Eat up, you. Yeah, also, while I've been out here, I hit a couple drops. Got a laser attachment and an apprentice trike saddle blueprint, so how cool's that? Alright, you eat. Eat, 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 and be my friend. Alright, now, let's see. Alright, guys, since that took an extra long time, and this is supposed to be a special episode about assembling the team, I'm going to cut away here, let this lovely, lovely big lady tame up, and then show you off to your... Oh, wait, before I do, let's get some pre-tame stats. Ooh, 7296 health, 990 stamina, 1224 weight, look at that, that's beautiful. 195 melee, not bad. I might pump it up to 200 just so it's even. Oh man, this is awesome. Alright, so with that out of the way, I will see you in a bit, peeps. And there we go, folks. I'm sorry, I couldn't get... I kind of waited too long. Thought I had a couple more seconds, but there we go. Got the PARACER tamed. Let's see, name. Well, it's a road crew. And every road crew needs a large Marge. Yeah. Let's see. Let's get you set on neutral right now. Yeah, I built a wall. Paddington's manning the door. Because I wanted a way to get him in and out if I needed to. Because I did check the rest of these ruins. There's some stairs. Oops. Stay there, Marge. But there's some stairs. They lead up. I didn't see anything dangerous, so I just capped the end down here. Alright, but let's get a look at some of these stats. Wow. 9804 health. 1470 stamina. 1411 weight. Melee damage 302. That is awesome. I am very pleased with that. Alright, well, now there's nothing left to do, really, except tear down this wall and get her back to base. So, I guess that's going to make this all out to be an episode right here, guys. I was really shooting for, you know, trying to do this all in one go, and even if I made it an extra long episode, taking down a Dodic isn't going to be easy either. So, yeah, we're going to wrap it up here. So, thank you all for watching. I really hope you like it. Remember, if you do, slam that like button for me. And if you want to keep following along, remember to subscribe. So, remember, I am Omni. This is Ark Survival Evolved on the Wolves server. And I just want to remind everyone out there to play hard and game harder. See you next time, peeps.